Hi everyone, I've got a BMW 3 Series here. Just going to show you how to check the oil level. I mean, usually on the BMWs, some cars do have dipsticks, some cars don't. On this one it doesn't. So what you do, here you got this button, you scroll up, you can go into oil, make sure the engine is nice and warm. If the engine isn't warm, you won't be able to check it. So when you click on it, press the button here, this one. Now you can see it says plus 1 litre, so it's below minimum. I would add about 1.5 litres into it, and that should be more than enough. That's all you got to do on your one as well. If there's any more information you need, let us know please. Thank you very much. Goodbye.